Take few deep breaths and relax your body and mind completely. Invoke all your angels, all your spiritual guides into this space and time to guide you through this meditation, to shower their blessings on you, to bless your body, to heal your body. Now invoke Lord Ganesha in your heart center. Ask him for healing. Pray to Lord Ganesha to remove all the blockages, to remove all the energies that don't serve you in your life, in your body. And just pray to him to release all the blockages. With ease and kindness. Take one another deep breath in and out. Now bring all your awareness on your right foot. Feel your right foot. Bless your right foot. I bless my right foot and I pray to Lord Ganesha to heal it completely. To remove all the blockages from my right foot with ease and kindness. I bless my right leg, every cell of my right leg. And I pray to Lord Ganesha for its healing. And as you pray, just try to visualize or imagine the green colored light filling your leg, filling your every part as we move on, filling each and every cell. I bless my right knee. And I pray for its healing. I pray to Ganesha to remove all the negativity, to remove all the blockages, all the suppressed energy, blocked energy from my right knee with ease and kindness. And feel your knee filling with green colored healing light. I bless my right thigh. Feel the light entering into your thigh, making it very strong and healthy. Every cell, every muscle of your thigh is filled with green light, with the blessings of Ganesha. I bless my right hip. And I pray to Ganesha to strengthen my hip. I bless my left foot, all the toes, and I pray to Ganesha to remove all the blockages from my left foot. Feel yourself grounded with both feet firmly on the ground. I bless my left leg. Feel the green light of Ganesha entering into your leg. I bless my left knee. And I pray to Ganesha to remove all the blockages from my left knee. And just visualize that your knee is getting filled with green divine light. I bless my left thigh. And I pray to Ganesha to make my both thighs very strong and healthy, so that they can support my knees very well. I bless my left hip. Feel the light entering each and every cell of your hip. Now feel your body, half of your body till your hips, getting immersed in a pool of green light. Just like we enter a swimming pool full of water, in the same way, visualize yourself entering into a pool of green light. And your legs and hips are completely immersed into that, fully healed. Now feel your belly, lower belly, upper belly, your reproductive system. And just pray to Ganesha to remove all the blockages, to remove all those energies that don't serve you, with love and kindness. To release all the feelings, suppressed feelings in your navel, with love and kindness, with ease. Feel your gut getting filled with this green light. And very slowly, gradually, your body is getting immersed into that pool of green light as you move your awareness from one part to another. Now feel your lower back, mid back, completely immersed in that pool, and all the blockages are getting released with the blessings of Ganesha. Feel your chest, both right and left side, your lungs. Feel your breath with your lungs. Feel your heart center, and just feel your emotions. I bless my heart, I bless my chest, I bless my lungs. And I pray to Ganesha to cleanse my heart, to cleanse my lungs, remove all the blockages with ease, love and kindness. Feel your upper back, chest all together. And feel this part getting immersed into that pool of green light in which you are standing. Your feet are very firm on the ground, on the bottom of the pool. I bless my both arms, both elbows, both hands, all the fingers, and I pray to Ganesha to strengthen my arms, to make my arms very strong, visualize your arms getting immersed in the pool of green light. Feel your shoulders. I bless my shoulders and I pray to Ganesha to release all the burden from my shoulders with ease, love and kindness, and transform that burden into love. Release all the blockages from my shoulders that don't serve me. Now very gradually feel your head completely immersed into that pool of green light. All your senses are getting cleansed. Your neck, jaws, lips, eyes, ears, nose. All your thoughts are getting cleansed. All the blockages of your mind are getting removed with the help of Ganesha. Just stay there in that state for a few minutes, in that pool of green light. And just be grateful to Ganesha for this healing. Be in this grateful state for a few more minutes. You can chant Ganesha mantra if you like, and just feel yourself healed, fully immersed in this green light, very powerful green healing light. Every cell, every muscle, every bone, every organ is fully immersed in this green light. Your cells are shining. Your whole body is rejuvenated. All the organs are very fresh. All the muscles are very strong. All the bones are very strong. There are no suppressed emotions or feelings. Just be in this state of love. Be in this state of profound healing. Feel the blessings of Ganesha. Feel the blessings of your guides, your angels, in this very present moment. Feel your own blessings in every cell of you. Now just imagine how it feels to be in this very blessed state every moment of our life. How it feels to keep Ganesha in our heart center every moment of our life to guide us, to protect us, just feel every moment extremely blessed. When our every moment is blessed, our body will be healed automatically. Then our body becomes blissful. Every cell of our body becomes blissful. Take one deep breath and just pray to Ganesha the last time to keep you in this blessed state, in this blissful state every moment for the rest of your life, and offer your gratitude to Ganesha, to all your angels, to your guides, to all your gurus for guiding you throughout this meditation, for their blessings, for their healing. And with this grateful heart, full of love, slowly move your toes, your fingers, rub your palms. Keep your hands on your eyes. On your temples. And down. You can open your eyes. Thank you. Namaste.